Subtract 7 over 2 minus 3 over 4. When subtracting fractions, you need to make sure the denominators are the same. Well, they're not. This is 2 and this is 4. However, finding the least common denominator is not going to be bad because 4 is divisible by 2, which means all I have to do is do 2 times 2 and I get 4. So my least common denominator is going to be 4. So this won't change. How do I make sure this one has a denominator of 4? Well, multiply 2 by 2. And whatever we do to the bottom number, we must do to the top number as well. So let's rewrite out that first fraction. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3 over 4. Now when subtracting fractions of the same denominator, you subtract the numerators normally. 14 minus 3 is 11. Keep the denominator exactly the way it is, and I get 11 over 4. Now that's an improper fraction. It's bigger than 1. So I want to take this and make it a mixed number, and I'm going to use long division to do that. We're going to see how many times 4 goes into 11. Well, 4 goes into 11 2 whole times. 2 times 4 is 8, and now we subtract 11 minus 8 to get 3. With no more numbers to drop down, that gives us a remainder of 3. So how do I turn this into a mixed number? Well, that 2 is going to be the whole number that lives in front of the fraction. That 3 is going to be our numerator, and the denominator stays 4. That won't change, and my answer will be 2 3/4.